guys, it's Sammie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this week's video, as you read by the title, I am going to be unboxing my TXT light stick. So it took me a long time to debate whether or not I wanted to buy it right away, but one of my good friends or most trusted shops that I follow on Instagram, this is the Instagram shop that I bought it from. I bought all of my K-pop related things from her, from like albums to like light sticks and everything. They were all from her. What she does, she gets it from, or she goes to Korea, I'm so sorry. She goes to Korea and does this thing called a pasabuy. So if you're an international fan, pasabuy is technically something like you can send money to her account and then she will buy whatever you are looking for, or like whatever merch you are looking for. If she can't find it, then she'll obviously send back the money, but then yeah. So yeah, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box when I post every Friday. Let's get on to the video. So here it is. This is what it looks like. Here's the box, and then it says "Tomorrow by Together," and then at the back. And of course, it has the big hit holographic stickers, so you know it's 100% real and it's not fake. So she sent me an extra as well. She always sends me extras. Either it's like Korean candy or snacks to like face masks. So she sent me a note, always a sticky note all the time, and it says, "Annyeong Sam, thank you so much for always trusting us. Hope you'll like this too. Love, Winter Blush." I can't speak. Winter Blush Manila. So she sent me another one of these. It's like their almond snacks in Korean, and it's baked corn almonds. So I have yet to try these. I actually like the honey almonds, honey butter almonds. Yeah, those are the ones. They're really, really good. So thank you for the extra. Now it's time to open this baby. I don't want to wreck the box. Let me grab scissors real quick. So I got it open. I didn't remove the sticker. I just like did the seal thing. So yeah. I'm so nervous. I love the box though, like it's white. Oh. There's a lot of stuff in this thing. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So here's the light stick. It's actually smaller than it looks. Because like in pictures, it looks so big. Then it's smaller. So we're gonna get to the light stick in a bit. Put it there in the side. I believe it can change colors as well. Like, the army bomb, but I think it only has like 2 different colors. I'm not so sure. We have to read this. So the box is empty. It's just like the stand of the light stick and stuff. So what comes with the light stick is obviously the manual. So yeah, manual. And then it comes with a dust bag and a strap, just like every light stick. So the strap is white. I love it. I love the aesthetic because I really, really love white. So it says "Moments of Alwaysness," and then "Tomorrow by Together" at the other side. So there's that. And then it also comes with a dust bag, just like the army bomb. And then it says "Tomorrow by Together" at the bottom. And it comes in this little Ziploc bag. So I don't really use the dust bags. I just like, keep them there. So there's that. And then, oh my god, like the army bomb, it comes with photo cards. This up. So it also comes with this thing. This. Scan the QR code on reply to get the emblem in cash. So I don't know. So we're gonna do that later. And then here are the photo cards. So we have Subin. Oh my god, it's Yeonjun. He's my bias. They're Yeonjun. Hyun and Kai, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, Bongyu, he's my bias wrecker. And Taehyun is so cute. So there's all 5 of them. I love them so much. They're so cute. They're my children. But I don't think this is gonna fit at the back of my phone. We'll see. We're gonna try anyway. So there's that. So I don't really put my light sticks back inside the box. I keep them on my shelf. So there's that. And okay, now to the actual light stick. So it has a QR code at the bottom. I'm not really sure what that's for. What the heck? So there's this little button at the bottom. I don't know what this does. Oh, it's for the batteries. Okay, so the batteries are AA. I have to go look for batteries. I'm not sure if I have them. Oh, not work. Okay, there. Okay. So I'm gonna stick on the strap real quick. Ta-da! Oh, I can't. Whatever. I'm just gonna attach it later. It's really hard to like attach. So there are 3 different buttons for this. I'm not sure what they're for. And then there are 2 buttons here at the side. So if you push it, you can actually push this up. So it's supposed to click. There we go. So it becomes a baby light stick. It's so cute. Look it. Okay, I'm gonna try to look for batteries and see if I can get this to turn on. Okay, I found batteries. So I don't know which side is which. Positive. Fit. Negative. Go in. Doesn't want to go in. How am I supposed to get it out? To turn on the light stick, you have to press the middle green button for like 2 seconds. And it should make that sound. And then it should light up. So let me close the lid so you guys can see. Then if you press the blue button for 2 seconds as well, it changes color. So that's the Bluetooth mode, not color, I'm sorry. So that's the Bluetooth mode. I'm currently filming with my phone, so you guys really won't get to see the Bluetooth kind of thing. So I'm really sorry about that. So it becomes green, see? Ta-da! So I have yet to put in the blue, I have yet to try the blue button. So we're going to try and download the app and see it, and it will be on my Instagram story, or I'll like borrow somebody else's phone for it so you guys can see it. So yeah, that's how you light up the light stick. And you just press the plus button again and it should become white. There's the light stick, that's what it looks like. There's a plus, an X, and another cross, and then it says Tomorrow by Together. And then, yeah, that's it. This is where the loop thing goes, and then it says Bluetooth, so I have yet to try that out. And yeah, there's the light stick. If you guys like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box when I post every Friday. And I'll see you guys in a new video next Friday. Bye!